Hallo, ich bin Nino und ich spreche nicht Deutsch, so this presentation will be in English because of that. So, sorry about that. I am Nino, I'm a solution advisor. I come from AppFire. AppFire is a trusted marketplace vendor. We build apps for over a decade now, and we have a lot of big apps in almost all the categories. But I'm here today to talk to you about how you can make collaboration easy with Confluence and our knowledge management solution. On average, on a study done by Coveo, it's found that knowledge workers spend around 3.6 hours a day just simply searching for information. And this is usually done in 4 or more data sources. Also, a report done by Ponemon Institute showed that the cost of non-compliance compared to compliance can be up to 2.7 times higher in cases where it's by either fines or you also lose you can lose reputation. So that's why having a good knowledge management system is important. Also, even though 75% of users think that creating and safeguarding knowledge is important, only about 9% of them think that actually this is done. And this study was done by Deloitte. So this is where our knowledge management solution comes in, and it helps you transform your Confluence into a single source of truth. And how we do this is through a solution that we built through custom tailored plugins. We have top plugins in each category, and this will help you to organize, create, and safeguard this knowledge more efficiently. These are the main 4 areas that we currently target with our knowledge management solution, but there are a lot more, of course. For many companies, when you think of a knowledge management system, you first think of your knowledge base. Either if it's an intranet, internal policies, or external facing technical documentation, you need a way to consistently streamline and format that documentation, and that's where our plugins come in to help you do that and automate the process. And also it provides you with full-on reports about what's happening, which gives you an overview of your knowledge management, and you can see where you need to improve or change things. Of course, policies and procedures, they are always updating. You need to keep them relevant, and you need to have a standard format for these policies. And also, you need a way to share these policies with your stakeholders, and our plugins help automate in that area as well. We also, of course, for the regulatory compliance, more and more companies need to be compliant. You have ISO requirements and all kinds of regulatory policies that you need to adhere to. So then we have a lot of things that help here. For example, we have e-signatures that is compliant. We have full audit trails of everything that happens in your documents in Confluence. And last but not least, we also have the product and design requirements area. And here, again, you can have like live templates. And this is through a plugin of ours called Scaffolding that I'm going to show you in a second. And basically, you have one single source of truth. And this helps you make better decisions and reduce the time to market for your products. These are some of the common pain points that we've seen with knowledge management, and this is how our solution helps with that. When you have like lost or inconsistent information, we help with common procedures that can be easily replicated and of course automated, because that's also important. You want to reduce and make it easier for your teams to work with the knowledge. You also find disorganized and stale documents, and here we help centralize it, and also we help maintain it up to date, right? We have periodic reviews that are automated on your documents, and you make sure that everything is updated. Of course, you can have fines and penalties if you are not if non-conformities are found in your knowledge management. So here as well we have for example, our document management app, with which we can enforce controls and approvals securely. And again, through e-signatures and advanced reporting, you can see everything that's happening to your knowledge. And of course, you also have a lot of manual processes that are hard to scale. And with our workflow and task automation, we help a lot in this area. You can save a lot of time by automating a lot of tasks. And here is how our plugins actually help on each one of these points. So, for example, for the standardization part, we have scaffolding and multi-excerpt. You can see the scaffolding part right here. This is showing on an actual page in Confluence, and when those fields are editable, but not the actual content, the form. So you can change the form, and you can have like 1,000 pages where the content is different, but if you make a change in your template, it's gonna instantly be updated everywhere. So you make sure you have a single source of truth. We also have things like number headings, which is a pretty simple plugin in its nature, but it can help a lot. It can reduce a lot of time of manual work. With the centralization, we have a few other plugins. For example, Comala Document Management. This is our biggest, the biggest one in this category, because it helps ensure that you have the correct approvers, reviewers. You have the process built for your needs. It can be a simple process or a very complicated one. It really doesn't matter. It's very flexible. And Comala Publishing also helps, you can see on the right side, helps to keep your draft and published content separate. So you will have your draft working space, and then that content will only be made visible once that content is approved through our Comala Document Management plugin. And of course, we have advanced tables. With this, you can not only format your tables, but you can import it from APIs, for example, or from JSONs, from even attachments. You can create attachment tables, which makes your life easier. For the governance and security part, again, here you will see how an e-signature looks. So it will ask you to input your credentials. You cannot approve a document unless you have inputted your login, which is your email in this case for Confluence Cloud, and the two-factor authentication token. And then on the top side, you can see a multi-excerpt. Now, our multi-excerpt is a bit more advanced than the default Confluence one. You can add media in it, and we have a lot of other configuration settings in it. Also, scaffolding, of course, makes sure that everything is consistent over your whole space. All right. For the workflow task and automation, on the top part, you will actually see how a workflow looks. So that flow can be fully customized. In that case, it has only 3 states. That you can have a more advanced compliance workflow. That's just an example. So that's fully customizable. On the left side, you will see Docs Plus. So this helps you connect your Slack to your Confluence. It's bidirectional, so you can receive, for example, information in a specific Slack channel or multiple, or you can also create pages directly from your Slack, which can be a lot of help. And here you see Dashboard Hub. Dashboard Hub is our reporting tool, and we are integrating it more and more with all of our plugins. It's currently integrated with Comala Document Management, and you can pull out reports, for example, like how much time did a document spend in a specific status, the same that you have in Jira, but now you can do it in Confluence. And next, I will have a short video which shows how these things actually look in Confluence. I hope it's gonna play. If not, I can describe it. Let me try once more. Okay, awesome. So here are a few of the plugins. This is scaffolding. Here is where you would create a custom template. And of course, this live template, this is Confluence template on which you put a live template from scaffolding, and then it updates everywhere on your whole space. When you change it, it's gonna be instantly updated. So you can see this is the template, and that's how you can add new fields. You can either create from selected or add new ones. Of course, you can create your forms as you see here, and then you can use numbered headings. This is very simple, but can save a lot of time. It just automatically generates. You have various formatting tools. You can also have excerpts. So these excerpts combined with scaffolding make sure that everything is consistent on your space. So again, these excerpts can be a bit more advanced because you can have images, boxes, and even some macros in them, which the Confluence ones doesn't let you. And here we have Komala Publishing. This is what I told you that does the synchronization between a draft working space and a published space. You make sure that the documents are not visible until they are actually approved. And this is document management. Here we have templated workflows, or you can create custom ones and then either add it to the page or to the whole space. Right? For example, this is a compliance workflow for your QMS. You can simply add the process and that's it. The reviewers can either be automatically assigned to help you automate it if they are always the same, or you can assign them manually. And once the approval cycle is done, you can then view the published version if you have the correct access, and you can see if the documents are synchronized. And this way you also have approved version control. You have due dates on the top right, which make sure your documents are up to date. And here on the bottom, we can see that we have the e-signature feature, which makes sure this is also ISO compliant. Full audit trail of everything that happens to the document, on which time, which version. There isn't an action that we don't track to what happens to your document. And it seems like I'm just on time, so thank you very much. It was a pleasure.